Hey guys, it's Andy Hubba with Exit Realty Professionals, your market guide from entry to exit. As always, you can find me online at andyhubba.com or on my cell 757-515-3028. Today I am showing you 3765 Tate Terrace in Norfolk, Virginia. This one is a Mark Crisco Coast to Coast Property Corp house. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath, right around 1,300 square feet. Awesome oversized garage. It's also an awesome oversized corner lot, which I'm going to show you. But as we come in, you can see new roof. Windows are in great shape. Some new, I think some were already replaced. New front deck here. Do have a school right here at the dead end. So definitely no noise on the weekends. Going to be quiet during the summer, of course. But I'll show you the backyard as we go through. 3765 Tate Terrace. All right. So here's our dining space, living space, ceiling fan new, paint new. Pretty awesome like picture window here. Tons of natural light, but the way the orientation is, it's still pretty private even going out to the street. I'll do the bedroom bathroom loop. Got a closet here, like a linen type closet, or coat closet there rather. Nice completely redone bathroom. Custom tile, new vanity, new mirror, new fixtures. Custom tile surround on the tub. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. Actually show you a little bit of the backyard here. You can see the school has the black chain link fence, new HVAC. The garage is legit. I'll get you out there. This is a linen type closet here. This is another linen type closet here as we wrap our way back to the front. But this would be the primary bedroom. This is the biggest bedroom. And it's got the 2 wide closets, so it's got some more storage. Again, pretty awesome natural light. See the school. Hear the kids playing. And then let's go through. There's a bonus kind of living space through the kitchen here. Again, andyhubba.com. Feel free to reach out to me. Happy to help you with your next real estate project. Brand new 42-inch soft close, full wood overlay cabinets, granite countertops, stainless appliance package, including the fridge. Nice Whirlpool fridge here. And then here's the space that they were able to kind of reinvent. Kind of works like a sunroom, but I really think this is probably your entertaining room or probably where the TV goes. That's the opaque glass through that shower wall just to get your orientation. But again, this is a really generous space here. Going over towards the driveway. Here's your utility. You see they kind of dressed it up with the tile. And then this is actually tile also, the wood look tile. New water heater, your laundry connections, panels in great shape. We'll actually go back this way to the garage. Driveway again. City maintains everything on the other side of that fence. And then here's our garage. So this is the main section of the garage. It does have power. No opener, so you'd have to add that. But off of the main garage, there's that little kind of workshop to the right you could see. That also has light and outlets, so really kind of a awesome little canvas here as a bonus oversized garage to the main house. Again, thanks for joining me. It's Andy Hubba with Exit Realty Professionals, your market guide from entry to exit. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Please like and subscribe. Feel free to connect. I'd love to help you. Make sure when you're home shopping, you make it a priority. Have some fun.